Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Lue and I hope you are having a wonderful day. As you can see here, it is a terrible, gloomy and cold day here in the beautiful, sunny state of Florida. So since it is a gloomy day, I thought it'd be a perfect day to stay inside and work on the car. Unfortunately, I do not have a garage myself. I'm working on that, so I am actually currently driving to a buddy of mine's house to use his garage. Shout out to Chris, thank you. But I will be plasti dipping, and I know some people are cringing just hearing that, but you know, not everyone has $1 billion to powder coat their emblems one by one. But today we will be plasti dipping the emblems on the Mustang so that I can have a little bit more contrast and so that it can match the wheels that's on the car. And so anyways, I am driving there. When I get there, I will show you guys what I will be doing outside of the car. Okay, see you then. All right guys, welcome back. I got the car in the garage. There is really not a lot of space here to work with, but I am not going to complain about that. I will make do, and oh god, this truck, I will make it work. So I'm going to be doing a few things today. These chrome emblems in the side and squeeze through here, and on the front, they've got to go. They've got to go so it can match the rest of the car. At least the wheels are black already, and also this emblem has got to go. I know it's all gonna be black, but hey, I don't want something chrome on it. And so as I was saying, a lot of people were probably thinking, oh, you know, Plasti Dip, it sucks. I get it. Like, Plasti Dip is not ideal. It would be awesome if I can powder coat everything and spend $500 on powder coating or $150 for emblems, but I feel like I'm more of a do-it-yourself type of guy, so I picked up a can of black Plasti Dip and Glossifier, because as much as if you do the application right and the matte does look okay, I would still prefer having a little bit more of a glossy look. You know, I'm gonna take my time with it. I'm gonna do a good job masking it, and I feel like it should come out pretty good. You know, for those of you complaining about Plasti Dip, you know, it's a cheap way to do it, and you can always remove it if you don't like it. All right, guys, literally, it took me a whole hour to mask these goddamn emblems. And it's not because of this one. It's not because of this one in the back. And it's not because of that one, the 5.0 on the other side. But it's because of this godforsaken Mustang logo in the front with all these little intricate parts. I don't think I did a perfect job, but I think I did good enough so that I can get good coverage and be peeled off. So for the first coat, apply lightly so the rest of the coatings can be bonded correctly to it. So here it goes. Guess that's light enough. All right, so I did 6 coats in total of black Plasti Dip. The first 3 coats I did a little lighter, and the last 3 I tried to do very full wet coats to get very good coverage. As you can see, there's not a lot of texture on it. It's very matte look, like it's supposed to be. So let's show you the back one. The GT emblem, again, no texture, just a nice matte finish. Let's go to the front. Same over here. And then the pony. Very happy with the pony. Matte finish, no texture, just a smooth finish. So that's what happens when you apply coats correctly. And now I will be I'll be waiting for it to dry a little bit. It's pretty humid here in Florida, so it's probably not gonna take as long to dry, but just to be safe, I'm gonna wait 20 to 30 minutes, and then I will apply the Glossifier to try to bring the shine up. All right, here is the first coat of Glossifier, and you wanna apply this thick from the get-go.
Six and a half hours later.
So you want to be really careful when you remove these. You want to pull away from the horse. You don't want to pull off the Plasti Dip if there's any part of it that's stuck to the actual horse. So if you've done it correctly and layered it correctly, you should be able to pull it out with a toothpick like so. Just pull away and it'll come out just like that. All right, so it basically took me all day to do all the emblems, but I do think it came out really good, especially for just Plasti Dip and just spending $10. What I did was I did 3 coats, a little bit lighter coats, and then I did 3 very heavy wet coats so that I can get a good matte finish that's very smooth. And then I applied 3 or I think 4 layers of Glossifier. But here's the 5.0 logo. And it's already dark outside, so here's a GT badge. Look at that. This is extremely high gloss, and that's also reflecting, not as high gloss, but still reflecting light, which is really nice. Coming to the other side. Here's the other side. Also high gloss. There's just not a lot of light on this side to reflect. And the pony in the front. Look at that. I guess that's the best part, to see that it is reflecting some light. I will try to show you guys a shot tomorrow when I get to work so that there's sunlight. Hopefully there's sunlight. But I am aware that there is red in the middle of that dot. I am not gonna attempt to take the Plasti Dip out to get the red. I think we all get the idea that it is a 5.0, and I'm okay with not having the red there because I'm a little too OCD to mess that up. But yeah, if you and when you apply the gloss, that's a little harder. You want to apply really wet coats. You don't want to apply it like the regular black, but you also don't want to over apply. You don't want it to start dripping, which I actually ran into the issue in the back on my GT emblem. It starts turning gray and watery. So definitely want to avoid over applying, but you want to make sure that when you are doing the Glossifier that you're getting a even coat and you're getting the shine that you want when you're applying it. All right, so it's actually been about a week. You know, it's not just the next day. I went down to Miami to visit my mom and didn't really get a chance to film down there. But as promised, I was gonna show you guys what the logos look like in the light. So, and disregard all of the bugs. The car is filthy, I'm about to wash it. But as you can see, the Plasti Dip came out really good and there is gloss on it. And not a lot of texture. And then if you look over here on the side, it's kind of dirty, but as you can see, look at that. It is glossy, very minimal texture. And then I'll show you guys the back. right there, gloss black GT emblem, and then over here on the side, the 5.0 emblem. As you can see, it comes out really nice as long as you apply it correctly and you do what they recommend. And you know, from far away, you can't even really tell it's Plasti Dip. It just looks like it came from factory that way. God, English is hard. But yeah, it came out a lot better than I had anticipated, and I'm very happy with it. And all of it costs only $10, and I still have some leftovers for whatever I want to do with it. But anyways, I will be making more videos like that in the future. If you guys have any questions, please comment below. And if you like the video like this, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video.